Hello and welcome to IF Global Management Training. If you've ever needed to comprehend project management methodologies, you are in the right place to master all the key project methodologies in just one day. Predictive and adaptive approaches offer separate strategies to manage projects effectively, depending on the project goals and the nature of the work. When you understand and implement the proper project methodology, you will be able to set your projects for success and deliver on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of all stakeholders. Project managers often face common challenges such as communication breakdowns, resource allocation, and unclear goals. These issues result in delays, cost overruns, and even project cancellation. However, when project managers choose the right project methodology, they can mitigate the project risks and deliver a successful project. Start with miscommunication, which can lead to misunderstandings about project scope, timelines, and expectations. The correct methodology ensures that all stakeholders are on the same page, reducing the risk of costly mistakes and rework. Inefficiency is another major challenge the project managers face. Without a clear plan and processes in place, the project teams can struggle to stay focused and motivated. Therefore, correct methodology can help you streamline the workflows, eliminate unnecessary tasks, and prioritize the activities in order to deliver value-added items. And then there's the issue of adaptability. Projects are inherently uncertain, and things don't always go as planned. The correct methodology can help project managers respond quickly to changes and minimize the impact on the project's success. The terms predictive and adaptive approach are often used in project management and can sometimes be confusing because of their meaning. These two methodologies are slightly different concepts. Okay, let's break down the methodology differences. The first methodology is predictive, also known as the traditional or waterfall approach. This methodology is all about planning and following fixed processes. The predictive approach emphasizes detailed planning up front and a sequential execution process. Imagine having a clear roadmap that guides you through the project from start to finish. Upfront project planning, timelines, and clear deliverables help a predictive approach manage more complex projects and produce predictable outcomes. The predictive approach is better suited to projects with well-defined requirements where predictability is vital. Some of the predictive approach characteristics are: the predictive approach involves extensive planning at the beginning of the project, setting the baseline of the scope, schedule, and budget. At the same time, the changes are managed through a formal change request. The project starts with an initiation and progresses through planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing. Each phase must be completed before proceeding to the next, although there are some iterations between the processes. The project scope, schedule, and budget are defined early and typically remain unchanged throughout the project. The predictive approach also emphasizes complete documentation and adherence to the project plan. If you found this video helpful, remember to connect with us, so you don't miss our latest tips and tools for managing projects. Feel free to share this video with your team or anyone who could benefit from it. If you have any questions or want to share your project methodology experiences with us, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's proceed with the next methodology, which is adaptive, also known as Agile. The Agile approach focuses on flexibility and iterative processes. This methodology is suitable for projects with rapidly changing requirements, where adaptability is crucial to the project. In an Agile project, projects are developed in small, iterative cycles or sprints. Each cycle generates a usable increment of the product. It values frequent feedback from stakeholders, so it is used to adjust the product throughout the project. The project team adjusts the project plans and requirements based on the ongoing feedback and changes. The Agile approach also focuses on delivering value incrementally instead of sticking to a fixed plan. It also has a high level of communication and teamwork, both within the team and with stakeholders. Some of the key Agile frameworks are Scrum, which is a framework that features short sprints, defined roles like Scrum Master and Product Owner, and key ceremonies such as daily stand-ups and sprint reviews. It uses Scrum events and artifacts to create releasable products. Kanban. Kanban is a method focused on visualizing work, managing flow, and continuous delivery. If you want to know more about Kanban, check out the attached video, which explains it in more detail. Extreme Programming, also known as XP, is another Agile framework for creating an IT product. It emphasizes pair programming, test-driven development, and continuous integration. Okay, let's learn examples of where the proper project methodology led to significant success. For example, a company like NASA might use the Waterfall methodology for a spacesuit development project where the requirements are well-defined and precise. Any changes to the project scope would have impacts on the entire program. On the other hand, a software development company might choose Agile for a new product release, where the requirements are constantly changing and the project needs to be highly adaptable. When the correct methodology is chosen and implemented, project managers can increase their project success, minimize risks, and deliver results that meet expectations. This achievement can be a powerful motivator for future projects. Remember, mastering project methodologies requires practice and patience, but it is a well-worth effort. Consistency and dedication are your best allies. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your experiences with project methodologies? What challenges have you encountered, and how did you overcome them? Check out our other videos for more project management tips and tricks.